Hello and welcome to CryptoCorrects, your one-stop shop for all your crypto news, updates, and analysis. Guys, I know a lot of you must be feeling a lot of pain right now because the markets are down, prices are up, not just because of crypto to be honest, or all in general. However, if you've been listening to my channel last year when I was chucking video every day, each 2 videos a day, 1 video a day, telling you guys all to buy crypto, learn crypto, be ready for this little inflation period we are going through, and at the same time I've been telling you all the predictions on the prices which will go up. I was telling you during the pandemic how the governments will keep going give you the money, but that money has to be paid back by yourself as well. The whole economy, the whole world, the whole workforce, the way which was running totally came to a halt and then restarted. And it came to a halt not just for a few weeks or a day, it came to a halt for nearly 2 years. And imagine guys, the amount of loss we have been making. You know, every time a city, train workers go on strike, we lose billions. Every time a banking sector staff will go on strike, or a hospital staff or teachers will go on strike and come on the roads and do protest, that city, that country, that economy lose billions. So imagining just one little sector of one little city of one country coming out and creating billion dollars worth of losses. Imagine when the whole world shut down. It's like the whole world was on a government told strike to stay home, like a curfew, and everything shut down, and now everything is reopening. But when everything is reopening, all of a sudden people are realizing, you know what, we have less money in our pockets than it was. Everything is more expensive, less workforce. A lot of people became lazy during the COVID lockdowns and are not coming as active, as fresh on their workforce again. A lot of people are not even coming to work because they just got lazy behind. And a lot of people learn new skills and join new workforce, probably flourishing right now and not scared of this inflation and price increase at all because they prepared. And you know what? I've been telling you in my channel from the last whole year, to be honest, 2021, 2020, I've been telling you, please guys, invest into crypto, invest into stocks, invest into commodities, invest into real estate, invest into anything, but don't just sit at home and accept your furloughs, accept the money from the government and think that, you know, you're going to go back to a normal world, because the world is going to get squeezed. And right now you're feeling the squeeze. Interest rates are up. It's going to get more up. I can tell you, I can disclose you right now that there is more price increases are coming in September already planned, because these corporations, these companies, they plan everything 3 to 4 months ahead. And yes guys, a lot of them are planning more price increases. March, April, September, January, these were the little chunks of price increases, and September is the last one, hopefully the last one, which I think will be the final hit on the nail to get all the price increases done. That means your price of oil, energy, sugar, essentials, salt, meat, food, veggies, every single thing is gonna go up. Yes guys, sorry for telling you the bad news, but you know what, sometimes telling you the bad news is also a good news, because at least you can mentally prepare. At least from now on you can start doing. Now forget about the bad news as well. What is right now the good news? In fact, it's bad news for a lot of people, but for people who are smart and right now also thinking in a different way is good news. Yes guys, the good news is that the markets are down when it comes to crypto. This is a new entry point. People, they were dreaming, they were wishing, they were dying for prices to go back to these levels when the prices were up, so they can make their entry. And a lot of people right now are thinking, wow, should I make that entry? And you know what, this is not new for the crypto world. Every 3 to 4 years the prices go crushing down. The media, the governments, everybody, public jumps upon it and saying it's a bad thing, don't come into crypto. Look, this is the reason I said. You know why people are saying that? Whenever the price crush, let me tell you what's going on right now, especially in the crypto world. We all who have invested into crypto are the minority. In fact, we are the minority of the minority in the world who invested into crypto at these early stages. And if you go for 4 years before, that minority was only smaller than where it is right now. So we are still early adopters. Many of the people right now in the world are not known to crypto. They are not invested into crypto. That's at least 98% to 95% of the public. And what happens when the price crash? A lot of these people who did not invested money into crypto, who did not jump onto crypto, who were probably being negative about crypto, are right now having the chance to come and point fingers and say, look, I told you this is BS. It's gonna go down. I told you Bitcoin is a fraud or a scam, cryptocurrencies like that, and blah blah blah. This is their time, and you know what? This is their time. I would let them say it, but you need to understand these guys are only talking about this because they did not invest it at the right time. They have not learned from crypto. They have not made a single money or a penny from crypto. And most of them don't even know the financial world, because if they knew the financial world, how it works, they would be in crypto. I can tell you that 100%. Any bank or any financial person right now, any financial student you go and speak to, I speak to them on a daily basis, are telling me that what is crypto. In fact, even I was signing some property documents the other day, and even now in a property company, when you buy a property, they ask you, are you getting those funds from cryptocurrency? That's a question in the property questionnaire. That's how big secretly crypto has become. That just shows you the adoption of crypto into the general system, real estate, Forex, finance. In fact, one more news I can disclose right now is London Stock Exchange. The British government is right now looking the blockchain technology to run the stock exchange. They're trialing it. They're not straight away doing it, but it's going to be a better version. That means that London Stock Exchange is one of the, not one of the top stock exchanges in the world, because that's Nasdaq, that's S&P, that's the New York Stock Exchange. However, London Stock Exchange is the top 5 stock exchanges in the world. So that's why if it's trialing blockchain and it works here, it's going to start rolling across to many places. Plus, the British financial system is normally the leader in the financial world, because London is still the financial hub of the world. Sterling is still the banking currency of the world right now. Dollar is the global currency, but sterling, remember guys, Bank of England and sterling is still one of the key currencies right now in the world. And that's a whole different topic we can discuss, and how and why on another video. But this is what I'm trying to tell you. Anybody who's feeling bad, low, let me tell you, we are currently in the worst financial crisis in the world, thanks to COVID, thanks to war, thanks to bad governments, thanks to the record-breaking inflation, thanks to pandemic, thanks to the world behavior right now at the moment, and also thanks to technology, because technology has also right now evolved so fast and so quickly that the human beings are, just following it through. So that's what's happening right now. And the crash right now in the financial market is not only limited to crypto, it's limited to across every financial market right now. Stocks, commodities, Forex, crypto, derivatives, possibly coming on real estate as well, but I think real estate is going to get hit in the next 2-3 years. However, these are right now, all the financial markets are down, and the only players which are up right now is dollar. The only player which is up right now is oil and energy. These 3 sectors right now are sucking the money of all the other investors, because these are the big guys. Why crypto was increasing in the last year and the year before? Because it was the big guy. Everybody was making huge returns. So a lot of investors from other investment community also jumped onto crypto, and that's why crypto boomed. That's exactly what's happening right now with dollar, oil and energy. All the investment is being sucked out from stocks, crypto and other financial market, and being pulled into dollar, and being pulled into oil, being pulled into the energy sector, because these are the sectors which are increasing. You can see the price of fuel right now is so high, the dollar price is so high. In fact, let me tell you a fact, dollar on year right now against euro, which is the top financial forex market for people who know forex, dollar against euro is 16% up year on year. That's a huge number for a dollar to be increased. That's a forex huge number. These kind of giant spikes you don't see in forex or commodities and stocks, guys. It's only crypto, and being 60% up, 16% up year on year against euro is a wow factor for dollar right now. But let me tell you the worst scenario. 40% of the dollar was printed last 3 years. So 100% of the dollar ever printed from the early 90s till now, 40% was printed in the last 3 years. Yes, guys. So it's crazy the amount of dollar which has been printed, and dollar will crush soon. Yes, guys, dollar is gonna have a bad crash. What's right now the situation is, it's a short-term bad and a long-term good. So if you are thinking very scared right now, to be honest, things are gonna get more worse. So don't panic. At least you know what's going on. But it's gonna be long-term. Very, very good for all the crypto investors right now. This is the time to buy. This is the time to buy on dollar cost averaging, which I've been telling you on my channel before as well. Dollar cost averaging, which nobody knows, or anybody who don't know what it means, is just buy a specific number of a specific amount of crypto or monetary value each month. Don't care about the price, and each month keep buying, because your average price is going to go down, because crypto boom for 1 or 1.5 years, but it keeps declining for 3 and 3.5 years. So it means if you're dollar cost averaging, your price is in general going to go down, down and down, because you are going to keep buying at lower prices. So don't look at the price, because don't panic. At the same time, I would also like to tell you is we are expecting a big bull market next year. 2023, by the end or quarter 3 of 2023, we're going to have a massive bull market. That's when everything will go up. We're going to have more inflation rates high during this year. By the end of this year, I'm expecting recession to kick in 100%. When dollars start going down, you will start seeing crypto, Bitcoin, all these currencies go up and up, because that's when the investors will take their money out from dollar, because they will see it's going to go down. So they will take their money out and they will start investing into crypto and other financial products. This is what's happening in the crypto market. Buy right now in order to get your average coin price down. If you bought at silly prices last year because you just jumped at the hype right at the end, still buy dollar cost average and keep buying right now, because that's the opportunity for you to bring your average price of that coin or any coin you've been buying down for the next 8, 9 or probably 16 to 14 months. That's the time when you're going to start getting some gigantic moves in crypto. So yes, guys, every month, if you got $1,000, $1, $10, or $100,000, invest into crypto wisely. I tell you also a few coins which you can buy right now. One of the top 5 coins you can buy right now is CRO, FTT, ETH, BTC, obviously right now with the prices which is happening right now, and BNB. Yes, guys, these 5 coins right now I think are the core golden coins which you can buy right now and accumulate. There's other coins as well, but keep watching my channel on YouTube and TikTok so I can keep telling you I'm back again. Yes, I was away for the beginning of the bear market because I was just taking some time off crypto. I was doing a few other things as well, and there was nothing to say. I did tell you last year in November by the end on my video on YouTube to have your exit strategy ready and exit the market. That was exactly the perfect time for the market. I could not have made it perfect at that time, and anything which I'm predicting or telling you is not my belief, is not my opinion. It's after all the research I've done, I've come up with these kind of conclusions. No financial advice for you, my opinion after doing all the research, not my dream, not my thoughts or imagination, which I'm telling you right now. Everything I say comes back with a lot of research and backing. That's why I was away from the few months as well, because I was just trying to take some time off rather than just come and tell you any gibberish, because I like to say what I say after I've done the research. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm going to come back with more regular videos, so keep coming back, subscribe the channel, share it with others so that we can learn crypto right now. This is the best golden time. Anybody who you know right now is not into crypto, get them to be in crypto. I'm going to start doing some educational videos for the beginners as well, so that you can understand at the same time, not leaving the pros and the long-term people who are in my channel behind. I'm going to be telling you some crazy news. Next video is going to be all about dollar charts, Bitcoin chart, Ethereum charts. I've got some really crazy research which I've stumbled upon, which I'm very much curious to share with you all. So keep coming back, and please come back for my next video, which is going to be screen based, which I'm going to tell you exactly what's happening and what's the chart are saying. And you know what, for the next video, I also have the price prediction of the Bitcoin bottoming. Yes, guys, I have exact number of what I think and when I think Bitcoin will hit the bottom and what that number will be. And that's going to be the time when we will start going up and up. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I love you all. Adios.